how to actually hide apps within your Samsung device. Okay, so when you hide an app, it actually disappears from the layout. So for example, if you hide like WhatsApp, okay, it will actually disappear from the layout in your apps and all that. You won't see the app icon of the app you have actually hidden. To do that, you need to do the following. Go to your phone settings. Okay, when you go to your phone settings, scroll down until where you see the word home screen. So tap home screen. When you tap home screen, you're going to see the option of hide apps right here. So tap hide apps. Now, when you're hiding an app, this is what comes. You see that right on top here, there's a hidden app. So these are actually apps that are actually hidden right now. So whatever app you want to hide, all the apps actually are displayed right here, okay, in the alphabetical order, as you can see. Okay, so in this scenario, I'm interested in hiding WhatsApp. Okay, you scroll down, see where you see the WhatsApp. Okay, so you make sure you tap it till where you see, till make sure you put a tick on it. If you want to hide another app, you can actually decide, probably I want to hide X, tap on X. Okay, so when you tap on them and you see they have ticks, you see the hidden apps, you actually can see that it has both apps, WhatsApp and X, have been added to the hidden apps. When you do that, then you tap on done. Okay, so when you come back on the app list, you can actually see WhatsApp is no longer on the app list, and also X is not there anymore. Okay, so that means that those apps have actually been hidden. Okay, to see the hidden apps again, you can decide to go back to your phone settings, and then you go to your home screen, then you tap hide apps, and then you can actually see the hidden applications. Now to unhide them too, you just have to tap, you see there's a minus to the icon. Okay, so you just tap the minus and then it disappears from there. You see on X as well, you tap the minus, it disappears from there. So when you do that, you tap on the done option down here. Okay, then you can come back and see that the WhatsApp is now back to your app drawer. You can actually see that, and X is now there. Okay, so that is how you can actually hide and unhide apps within your Samsung device. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos.